Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video I have given square root of I solution, and of course here we have to copy what we have equal to square root of I, and here we have to say equal to this I can be written as a square root of 2I over 2, right? Then step by step, this is equal to square root of, right here we shall say we have 1 over 2 times 2i, and here this is square root of 1 over 2 times 2i, and this is equal to square root of 1 over square root of 2 times square root of 2i by separating them, to mean that this will be equal to 1 over square root of 2 times this square root of 2i can be written as, we can expand them, 2i plus 1 then minus 1. This is 1 and this is 1. So this is equal to 1 over square root of 2 times square root of, right here we have 2i plus this one can be written 1 as 1 squared, then this minus can be written as plus I squared. You know that I squared is equal to -1. Then here at this stage we shall say 1 over square root of 2 times square root of, if you are seeing nicely, this can be written as we have, for example, this is a and b, right, as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, which is equal to a plus b squared, and our a is equal to 1, then our b is equal to I squared, and this will be 1 over square root of 2, then due to this one it will be simplified to get times 1 plus I. Then at this stage we can conjugate this square root of 2 we have right here to get square root of 2 right here over square root of 2 times 1 over square root of 2, 1 plus I, to get what? To get square root of 2, 1 plus I over 2 as the final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.